how to add audio in ShotCut Video Editor. Let us suppose that we have a video file here and we want an audio file for this particular video. So in order to do that, simply drag this video to your timeline and unlink the audio. Simply click on detach audio, and after that, here you can see the audio is detached and we have a separated video and audio file. Let us delete the audio file from the original video and press Ctrl O and select the audio file that you want to drag in and click on open. And here you can see the audio file is already on the interface. Simply drag it, and after that the new audio file will be added to the timeline, and you can edit the audio from here. You can either trim it, you can cut the audio. So this is how you add audio on ShotCut.